Hello, in Teleroo, payments go through a few different statuses. Here's what they mean. After you have created a pay run, it moves to either awaiting review or awaiting approval. Awaiting review is an optional status you can turn on in your account. This is an internal review stage where a team member needs to sign off on a pay run before it goes out to client approval. The reviewers you've designated in your account are automatically emailed to check and sign off on the payments. If a pay run gets cancelled at the awaiting review stage, it moves to rejected. Awaiting approval is when a pay run gets sent out for client approval. The approvers that your client has designated in their account are automatically emailed to approve the payments. Then, if you've scheduled the pay run to send in the future, you will see it at scheduled status. When the payments are being sent, you'll briefly see the pay run at sending status, and then once the pay run has been successfully sent, it will show as paid. If you or your client cancels a pay run, it will show as cancelled. Awaiting funds will appear when there isn't enough money in the Teleroo account to send the payments. Your client needs to simply top up the account to proceed. We'll email you and your client if the balance is too low for the upcoming payments so that they can top up before it reaches this status. We'll also notify you both when a pay run tries to send and reaches this status. Dual approval is an optional feature that requires a second person to approve a pay run. You can set this to apply to only pay runs that are above a certain value. And if you use this feature, the dual approvers that your client has designated in their account are automatically emailed to approve the payments after the initial approval has been completed. Occasionally, you might see the looking into it status. This means our compliance team is reviewing the payment. If a payment is held for checks, you will receive an email notification, including any extra information we need to process the payment. For example, it might be that the payee details that you have do not match the bank account, or it appears to be a duplicate payment.